Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to be doing a Papercraft Society unboxing. I am sharing this box, which is box 35, before box 34, because this is an autumnal box and we are in autumn right now. I thought I would get this one shared beforehand for those of you that are new to the channel, never heard of the Papercraft Society before, or maybe you've seen it but you haven't really seen what's inside. I'm going to show you that all now. So it's a beautiful box. This one's been designed by John Next Door. You can see these gorgeous colours all over the front there, and you've got the gold foil and that lovely stripe pattern. So inside this one, autumn is my favourite season. The tones and colours never fail to inspire me, John. So as always, you get your envelope and then you get more goodies in the tissue. So we'll pop that to one side and we will dive into the envelope first. So already, again, beautiful colours. All of the patterns that you see on the box and on the envelope are the papers that you will also receive, so it's quite exciting because these are beautiful. So you've got the John Next Door logo there, and then here we have share all of your Papercraft Society makes using the hashtag Papercraft Society. There's only one thing I enjoy more than designing, and that's crafting. Happiness is a well-stocked craft room, most definitely. I feel like this room hugs me every morning when I walk in. Let your craft be as unique as you are. So in here we have, so you've got these panels, you've got two different details, and you've got the frame to cut them. You've got a banner or sentiment outline die there, and then you have all these outline leaf dies. So imagine there's the stamps. In fact, I've got it right here, so let's have a little look. So we can see here, so these dies, these outline dies, will cut all of these out here. And then you also have the detailed overlay there as well. So you can create some really nice dimension to your die cuts using those. And then again, you can see there the stamp set. So we have this banner stamp, so that's going to be able to be cut out using the die there. And then all these sentiments will fit inside. You've also got a block outline there that look lovely heat embossed. You've got happy birthday with sympathy, sent with love you always, thinking of you and congratulations. And then you've got these lovely sentiments here. So being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Above all, be the heroine of your life, not the victim. And success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. Really nice. I haven't got anything like that, so that's going to be nice to use and keep. And then you get stencils. So you've got a 6x6 stencil here of all the different leaves there. And again, I'm guessing that these will fit. Yeah, they do. So you can create, again, some lovely depth to your stamps there. Stencil the background and then stamp the detail. And you get this corner detail here as well. And then you get your papers. So these are all of the specialty papers. So you can see that's the design on the front of the box. And then you've got this one here. You have this one, so you can fussy cut all of these. And you've got another detail there. So it's the same as this one here, but you've got the brown stripes, whereas that one's got the green. And then you've got this one with the orange stripes. And then you've got the thin green. So I see what they've done. So you've got that one that cuts out. You've got your thin stripe with your full border, your thick stripe with the corner border. And again, you can see, oh, and then a thinner, that's an even thinner stripe there as well. There we go, if I move it over. And then you've got this one with just like that. Almost looks like a cement floor. You know, you get those kind of markings. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, including that one. So that's all of the pattern papers there. Going to look lovely with gold mirrored card. So that's everything in the envelopes. Let's see what's inside the tissue. So you've got some baker's twine here. Then you have 2 pots of sequins. So you have your white sequins and silver sequins there. In here, what have we got? Got some little charms. So we've got some little metal leaf charms. You get 5 in there. And then these here are very delicate leaves, and you can ink these if you want to. Now I remember my mum and dad have one of these in a frame, or they had one in a frame for years, and it had some little poem or something. It was on a black piece of card. I always remember it. And they had it framed, and it was of these very delicate leaves. They've been around for a long time, because I know that was back in the 70s. But you can create some lovely effects with these and use your alcohol inks on them. Then you get your coordinating cardstock. You've got 2 orange, 2 green. That's a really lovely green as well. It's a linen cardstock as well, and it's colour core, so it's not white core. So you've got smooth on one side and then the texture on the back. You've got a deep brown there, and then you've got 2 sheets of craft card. That's a smooth on this side, and then it's a slightly different colour on that side. So this is a bit more of a yellowy brown, and then that one is more of a brown. But you get 2 of each there. And then you get your booklet, and this has got all of the inspirations, all the different makes. There's usually around 15, 16 makes. This is John here, and it just shows you the contents inside the box. And as always, I don't go through everything, but I will just give you a few examples of the kind of cards that you can make using the supplies. So this one here stands out. This is wonderful. Who's made this? Leslie has done this. I think a lot of these are on John's design team, these people. But she's created a wreath by wrapping the baker's twine around a ring and then use the sentiment there. That is lovely. That's certainly something I'd like to try and just do it in a slightly different way. I think that's wonderful. This one here is from the inside of the front page, and it just gives you a really nice overview of everything used. So you can see how the panels have been used there with that cluster built up and the twine. Then you've got the leaves across here where they've been cut into the card, and then you've got the sequins and then that lovely sentiment. I'm just covering here because there's also free downloads that you can access as well. And then you've got this one. I love the way they've used the metal charms and that leaf, and again the 3 panels. And then here, just using that banner die, and he's created that 3D look. Really effective, simple, but yeah, does certainly catch your eye. So that's everything inside box 35 from the Papercraft Society. As always, you'll be able to find all of the links below this video. I will link directly to the Papercraft Society. So if you are new and you'd like to find out more about these subscription boxes, then you can check that all out, and it's got all the information there. You can buy open stock, you can buy individual boxes, 3 monthly, 6 monthly, or yearly. So there's those, you know, there's an option for everybody there. So have a little look at that, and I'll share the direct link to this box as well if you would just like to purchase this one. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you've enjoyed this unboxing and you want to see what I'm going to be making with it, and I'll be sure to share some tutorials very soon. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.